Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to my happy kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make mushroom braised tofu. This dish is delicious and it is as simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. There are 1,000 of recipes in my channel. There must be a recipe you like. If you don't know what to cook, just check it out and look for inspiration. And don't forget to save the recipes. I'm afraid you won't be able to find me if you slide away. Fry tofu until both sides golden brown and set aside. Stir-fry mushrooms and carrot slices and season to taste. Add water, let it simmer, and add tofu to simmer for 1 minute. It's yummy! Give it a try!